What's up guys? Over here I have an LG AC remote, and in today's video I will show you how to reset your LG AC remote and fix any issue with the remote control not working or not responding with the AC, or just any malfunctionality at all. Trust me, either of the two solutions I am going to share in this particular video will definitely work out for you. So first things first, to reset your LG AC remote, what you want to do is to go ahead and get a pin or a stick just like this one over here. Now this is actually a very tiny stick, and even a broomstick can do in this particular case. So just go ahead and get any little pin or broom that can actually fit into this hole. Now what you want to do is to just go ahead and use this particular pin to insert inside of this hole for just 2 seconds, and then you remove it. Now once I do this, you will notice that all of the text inside of the AC screen over here will show at once, indicating that the AC remote has been reset. So I'll just go ahead and do that now. So 2 seconds, and you can see over here all of the text has just shown, indicating that my AC remote over here has been reset. So you can go ahead and do that, and once you do that, you want to go ahead and try controlling your AC using the remote control again and see whether it works. Now if that does not work out for you, another thing you want to do is to go ahead and pull back the battery pack of your AC remote. So just go ahead and pull out the battery pack, and then pull out the batteries of the AC remote as well, just like so. And now you want to go ahead and long press on the power button over here of your AC remote for 5 seconds. So just press and hold for 5 seconds, and after the 5 seconds you want to go ahead and pull back your battery cover. This time you want to make sure that your batteries are actually good, so you will not be wasting your time. So just go ahead and pull back your batteries to your AC remote again, and then you want to go ahead and cover up the battery pack just like this. And trust me, this will most likely fix your AC remote not working. So you can go ahead and try controlling your AC again using the remote control, and this will definitely work out for you because it is actually a common issue with most LG AC remotes. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.